Oh my god, it's beautiful. Cup नहीं है, cup है. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a huge H&M home haul. Now H&M released their home section in India on March 3rd, and the day that I'm filming today is March 7th. I've ordered all of the stuff on the 3rd itself, and it reached me on 6th. So the shipping and the delivery is supremely fast. That has always been the case with H&M, and I'm really excited because mostly H&M has this beautiful beige basic kind of tones that make your house look much more clean, modern, contemporary kind of style. So yeah, I got a huge box, okay? Literally the hugest box. Let me show you guys how big the box is. Can you see this? I'm literally sitting on the floor because I have to remove everything from this. But this is how big the box is. Like, oh my god. Can you see this? Oh my god. Yeah, I will like put in a snippet of how big the box is and all of that. But I'm really excited for you guys to see what all is there. I will be leaving all the links in the description box down below so that you can check out whatever products you like. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is...
Opening it from the carton, I need a little bit of energy, so I'm gonna have a little bit of cool drink. Right. Alright, I opened the bigger box. They come in these small containing like cardboard systems so that they don't break. I really like this and I appreciate it a lot. So let's start off. Alright, you can see all of these around me and in front of me as well, and oh my god, it is so difficult to remove packaging. I think this is the first time I've actually ordered homeware like in such huge quantity. I have my bill right here so that I can tell you guys how many things that I've ordered. I have ordered 20 things. Oh my god. I've ordered 20 things and I'm going to open one by one. So let's start with the smallest one that I can find. They did write what it is, but I don't remember what I've ordered. But this is how the packaging is. I really like how cute they are. This is the tiniest one that I picked up. And they actually wrote down what it is, but I really want to open and see what it is actually. Alright, let me open. Oh, it's so cute. It's actually packaged really pretty. Alright, this is the tiny tea holder. Oh, it actually matches my... Alright, this is how it is. This is a tiny tea light holder. It's really pretty. And I think for the festivals that are coming up, it'll look pretty. Especially for Diwali, it'll look amazing. So this is how it is. It's a really beautiful peach colored. Really pretty. It is also deep. You can put in your tea light and it'll look very pretty. Alright, so the next one I have is here. Let's open it. Oh my god, this is how tiny it is. I'll pop up the pictures over here. I thought it would be extremely big, but this is so tiny and it is for $2.99. I literally imagine it to be bigger so that I can put in my flowers and all, but no, this is really small. I don't like it at all. And also it looks more like a purple, not a pink one as it's shown in the picture. So yeah, a little disappointed, but it works. Alrighty, the next one I have is... Oh, I remember this. This is actually a cake slicer. You can actually cut your cake with this and also serve it, right? Yeah, cake slicer. Yeah, this is like the cake slicer. You can actually use this to like serve your cakes and all. It's very pretty. I like the gold detailing and all of this. I wanted to have this for a while, and this costed me $4.99. Anywhere it is I think it is of the same height and it is very heavy also. Really like this one. So I'm happy with this purchase. Alright, the next one that I have is here. Let's open it up. Oh my god, it's so pretty! I can see it already. But I love it so much. This is actually a... How do I open it? These are really cute salt and pepper shakers. Pretty they are. I think this is the salt and this is the... Oh no, this is the salt and this is the pepper. So pretty. I love it. They look so aesthetically beautiful. The ones that I have now are also really good. But I wanted something beige because my entire kitchen is like black and white. So even my salt and shakers are like black and white. But these look amazing. I love them. They're really pretty here. And I like the detailing also. And it feels like porcelain. And you know what? One of the weirdest things that I have, when this happens, I can't talk. So I have to be very careful while using this. But these are really good. I love them. Alright, the next one is here. Let's see what it is. They were a box in a box. Wow, H&M packaging is lovely. Okay, the next one I've ordered is this one. This is actually a small stoneware vase, light beige. This is how it looks like. And this is for $3.99. This is how pretty it is. Really like the detailing around this. This is so beautiful. Really stoneware kind of a detail. Really pretty. It has this really tiny hole. I have to figure out where to put this and it will look amazingly beautiful. So yeah, I really like this one as well. The next one that I have is actually right here and I think it is not... Yeah, it is very easy to open this. Oh, thank God. The amount of trash that I'll have to clean up after this is insane. Oh my God, I know what this is. Oh, this is lovely. I like it. Oh my God, it's beautiful. This is a teacup that I ordered and this is for, I don't know how much is this for. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. This is a porcelain cup, black and white pattern. This is so pretty. Imagine me drinking like I don't know, I don't drink coffees and teas, but I think I can actually have a little bit of a cool drink or something like that. Lemon water also will look very pretty in this. Oh my God, I love the detailing. It has this geometric pattern around it. It looks so pretty, so beautiful. Love it. Alright, now let's go on to these. These are mostly kitchenware that I got. So let me open one by one. I ordered another cup. So they're like 2 cups. So me and Lalit, both of us can have, like, he can have his green tea and all of that. And I can have my stuff of cool drinks. And these are for $3.99 each. These are not, nothing on this was one for sale if I'm not wrong. All of these are going to be kitchenware and I've ordered like an entire dinner set. I'm going to show you guys one by one everything. And also I'm going to like show you the entire picture of how the dinner set looks together. So yeah, usually when we buy dinner sets, now the biggest problem is they give you the big plate, they give you the small plate, then they give you cups, then they give you plates and all of that. So many things that you might use, you might not use, right? So I wanted to like mix and match and choose them and I thought H&M Home is like the best choice for it. So I've ordered like beautiful colored, like lovely color. I've ordered like black food, what do you call it as? Foodware, like kitchenware. This is like a deep bowl and it is really deeper. You can literally have like a bowl of Kellogg's or cornflakes in this every morning and it is very heavy as well, so you have to be very careful, but it is really good. And this is for $1.99 and I like the weight of it and I like the quality also. So this is lovely. I really like this one. So I ordered all the entire kitchen set. I've ordered in the set of 4 because I do not want to like just have one set of everything. So yeah, this is another one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are like the 4 bowls that I've ordered. These are like the deep porcelain bowls and these are for $1.99 each. The next ones that I've ordered are deep porcelain plates. Now I think these are like the medium size plates, not the large one if I'm not wrong, because I've ordered something else for the large plates. Alright, this is how it looks like. It's not like a regular plate of ours, but it has a little bit of depth so that you can have rice and all of that. One of the biggest problems that I have when having rice is I'm somebody who can eat rice 24/7 and 365 days. And those plates that we have now, they don't have this depth. So whenever I put on a little bit of rice, it kind of comes off to the end when you're taking it with a spoon. So I prefer eating it in those steel kanchalu. But I really wanted plates like this so that, you know, whenever I want to like have some fancy meal, at least I can have it in this. It's really deep and it's really black in color, and this is for $249. So I've ordered again 4 of this. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, number 4. So these are like the 4 deep porcelain plates. These are actually deep and they have a lot of weight. So yeah, if you're somebody who does not like having a lot of weight in your hand, you might not like these, but I really like these one. The next one that I've ordered is actually those lovely plates to go in and complete my set. Alright, this is the plate. It looks so big and huge. Like, this is the comparison. Like, this is my face and this is how the big plate is. And this is for $249. This is how it is. Really like how pretty and neat it is. And there are like 4 of these also, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, like these are like the 4 plates. I have the entire set over here. I'm going to try putting them one on one. I'll try showing you. Alright, this is how they are. It has a bowl, a deep... Oh my god, these are very heavy. The bowl, the deep plate and the long plate. These are very, very, very heavy. But I really like the aesthetic look of them. Wait, let me show you guys one piece at a time, okay? Alright, this is how the entire like set looks like. You can have your soup, you can have your rice, and you can have your roti and all of that. Like how pretty and beautiful this color is. I love this color, and I think after getting my own house, I've decided that, you know, black goes on with my kitchen and all of that, because my kitchen is a white and black combination. So if you guys have not checked out my house tour, I'll leave it up in the cards. Check it out. You guys will understand how my house is and how they will match up with. Alright, now the last one is this, and I have seen this go viral so many places. Like nowadays in-house home decor, if you don't have this kind of things, you kind of considered as not so good in-house decorations if you don't have this in your house. And I've tried finding it in many places in India, but I could not find them. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The donut shaped flower vase has become so extremely popular nowadays because it has this beige color and it looks very pretty in the background as well. And this is for $12.99, and this is the medium size if I'm not wrong. Yeah, again it has a stone detailing situation, and yeah, it really looks very pretty and aesthetically beautiful if you can put it up anywhere possible. But yeah, I really like this. Those are all the things that I've ordered from H&M Home. I think I am 90% satisfied with all the products. I was just disappointed with the size of the vases. Maybe I did not read the dimensions or something like that. But if you are somebody who's buying from H&M Home for the first time, please check the description for their dimensions and all of that, so that you can understand how big or how small your products are. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.